Imagine this. You're scrolling through your social media feed and suddenly you see a video of yourself doing something wild, something you never actually did. No, it's not a deepfake. It's you starring in an AI-generated video thanks to OpenAI's latest innovation, Sora2. But here's the kicker. Getting access isn't as simple as downloading an app. It's invite-only, and those invites are disappearing faster than you can say deepfake. So how do you get in before it's too late? Sora2 isn't just another app. It's a revolution in AI video generation. Powered by OpenAI's advanced model, it allows users to create short, realistic videos with synchronized audio, all from a simple text prompt. Think of it as TikTok meets AI, where your imagination is the only limit. But here's the catch. Access is currently invite-only, and the demand is off the charts. Each user receives only 4 invite codes to share, and they're being resold on platforms like eBay for up to $45. OpenAI has warned against this practice, adding urgency to the topic. So how do you get your hands on one of these elusive invite codes? Here are some strategies. Join the OpenAI Discord server. After verifying your ChatGPT account, head to the Echinarch Sora2 channel. Users often share working invite codes here, but they go quickly. Monitor social media. Platforms like Twitter, X are hotbeds for freshly shared invite codes. Search for Sora2 invite code and act fast when you find one. Leverage your network. If you know someone who's already in, ask them to share an invite code with you. Remember, each user gets 4. Be ready to move quickly. Once you have a code, enter it immediately. Delays can result in the code being used up by others. The scarcity of invite codes has led to a booming resale market. Some users are buying a code, creating an account, and then reselling the additional codes they receive. This has raised concerns about fairness and accessibility. OpenAI has issued warnings against selling invite codes, emphasizing that such actions violate their terms of service. If you're unable to get an invite code, don't despair. OpenAI plans to expand access in the near future. In the meantime, you can download the Sora app to be notified when your account is eligible. Sora2 features now that you're in. What can you do with Sora2? The app offers a range of features designed to enhance your creative experience. AI-generated videos. Create short, realistic videos from text prompts. Synchronized audio. Ensure that your video's audio matches perfectly with the visuals. Cameo. Feature, insert your likeness into AI-generated videos with full control over its use. Remix functionality. Interact with trends by remixing existing videos. Identity verification. Manage and authorize the use of your likeness in videos. Sora2. Pricing. Sora2 offers several pricing tiers to suit different needs. Basic plan, $7.90 month, includes 100 credits up to 2 concurrent jobs, and standard support. Pro plan, $39.90 month, includes 1,000 credits up to 4 concurrent jobs, and private generation rights, Ultra plan, $59.90 month, includes 3,000 credits up to 6 concurrent jobs, and premium support. Existing ChatGPT Pro subscribers can access the Sora2 Pro model at no additional charge. Sora2 is more than just an app. It's a glimpse into the future of content creation. Whether you're a creator, a tech enthusiast, or just curious, getting access now could put you ahead of the curve. So are you ready to be part of the next big thing in AI? The clock is ticking and the invite codes are running out. If you found this video informative, hit that like button and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on the future of AI video creation. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.